How to change store theme in Shopify, step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme of your Shopify store step by step. Changing your store theme can completely refresh the look of your website and improve the shopping experience for your customers. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside your dashboard, look at the menu on the left side and click on Online Store. After that, click on Themes. Here, you will see the current theme that is active on your store. If you want to change it, scroll down to the Theme Library or click on Visit Theme Store to explore new themes. Inside the Shopify theme store, you'll find both free and paid themes for different types of online stores. Browse through the available themes and select the one you like. Then click Add Theme or Try Theme. Once the theme is added to your theme library, go back to the Themes page. Now, find the new theme you added and click Publish. After confirming, your Shopify store theme will be changed instantly. Before publishing, you can also click Customize to adjust colors, layout, fonts, and sections so the design matches your brand. And that's it. That's how you can change your Shopify store theme easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Shopify and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.